This video was requested by a subscriber, and if you too want to know my morning skincare routine for clear and glowing skin, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet Onoja, and on my channel I post fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If any of this sounds interesting to you, then hit the subscribe button so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Without wasting so much time, let's dive right into this video. I really apologize because I didn't realize my mic went off, but I was saying I like to keep my skincare routine very simple and basic because I don't want to overwhelm my skin with lots of products, as I believe less is more. I have two morning skincare routine, the vitamin C skincare routine and the niacinamide skincare routine. The difference is just the vitamin C and the niacinamide. If you have seen this video, you'll see I mentioned most of the skincare products I use on my skin, both face and body. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. When I do my vitamin C skincare routine, I use my vitamin C face wash and my vitamin C serum. And when I do my niacinamide skincare routine, I use my hydrating face wash from Face Fats. This face wash contains 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid and oats. It's very hydrating and it protects the skin barrier. So I use this face wash when I do my niacinamide skincare routine, and then I use the vitamin C face wash for my vitamin C skincare routine, if you get what I mean. Since it's my vitamin C skincare day, I'm using the Simple Glow facial wash. This is what I use. My face is wet. I'm just going in with a little bit of this face wash, and I'll lather it up in my palm like this, and then I apply it on my face with circular motion. Take your time to work the face wash into your skin to get rid of all the dirt and the excess oil. I go around my nose to get rid of the build-up there, because there's always a build-up there if you don't pay attention to that part of the nose. I went ahead to rinse my face, and my face feels very soft and very clean. So I like to air dry my face when I'm not in a hurry to go anywhere or to do something. But when I'm in a hurry to go out or to do something, I use my face towel to dry my face, and then I go in with my other skincare products. My face is 80% dry, and I like to go in with my micellar water. Please note that this step is optional, as you can completely skip this step. I use micellar water from Skin Technique, which I did show in my how I prevent acne and hyperpigmentation video. You should check the video out if you haven't seen it. And I use it for that extra cleansing, because I feel like my face is not very clean if I don't use a micellar water. I add a few drops to my cotton pad and I swipe it across my face to get rid of the excess dirt and to make sure my face is clean. It's just an extra cleansing step. It's nothing too serious. See this is why I use my micellar water, and I don't know how to stop using it. I allowed my product absorb into my skin for about 35 seconds, and then I am going in with my toner. This is a simple toner which I showed in my how I prevent acne and hyperpigmentation video. I apply a few drops of the toner in my palm, and I apply it on my skin by patting into my skin. Take your time to pat the product into your skin. Toners are very important in the skincare routine because they balance the skin's pH and they prepare the skin better for absorption of the other products. They also help to hydrate and soothe the skin. The next product I'm going in with is this from Rice Toner. I recently added this to my skincare routine. It's a Korean skincare product and it helps to brighten and soothe the skin. It is formulated from 77.78% rice extract, which is effective for increased elasticity of the skin. This product is very hydrating and it brightens the skin. I just started using it, so I can't really give a review on it, but with time I might give a review on it. I apply a few drops directly to my face and I pat it into my skin. You want to give time between your product application for your products to absorb into your skin. So I like to give about 35 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on how much time I have. So I'm just allowing the toner to absorb into my skin while I was talking to you guys. I don't know what I was talking about, but just give your product time to absorb before you go in with the next product. The next product I'm going in with is my vitamin C serum, which I like to call the star of the show, and I'm using this one from Beauty Formula. This serum contains 2% vitamin C and it's a glowing serum because it leaves my skin glowy after application. So I'm just applying a few drops on my face and I will blend it in by patting it in with my palms. As most of us already know, vitamin C is an active ingredient which brightens the skin. It also helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and it provides antioxidant protection against environmental damage. The best way to apply your products is to pat into your skin, so I gently take my time to pat the product into my skin. This method of application may seem impossible from the beginning, but with time you get used to it. After doing this, I let the product absorb into my skin, and the next product I go in with is my moisturizer, and I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Aqua Gel Moisturizer to lock in my moisture. This moisturizer is lightweight, it is very hydrating, and it doesn't clog the pores. It leaves my skin very soft. The last product I use is my Bondi Sands Daily Moisturizing Face SPF. I always finish off my daytime skincare routine with my Bondi Sands SPF 50 plus to protect my skin from harmful UV rays. You need an SPF from 30 above to be able to block the UVB radiation. SPF 30 blocks about 97%, SPF 50 blocks 98%, and SPF 100 stops about 99% of UVB rays. An SPF is very important because it prevents the UVB rays from reaching your skin and it prevents hyperpigmentation, sun damage, and all of that. SPF also prevents acne scars from darkening and it maintains overall skin health and glow. This is my glass skin secret. After I apply my sun protection, my skin has a very healthy glow and shine to it, and it gives these glass skin vibes. I can't emphasize the use of SPF enough, but if you're not using your SPF, you should start using it, because after doing your skincare and you don't use your SPF, you are wasting your time. Someone asked on one of my posts how to layer your skincare products. Now, when you're layering your skincare products, you apply from the products with the thinnest consistency to the products with the thickest consistency. That's why I am showing from my micellar water to my toner, to my vitamin C serum, and to my moisturizer and my SPF. So you start with the products with the lightest consistency and you go to the products that are a bit more solid. The final step in my skincare routine is to moisturize my lips because no one will speak to you if you've got dry lips. You have to moisturize those lips. I go in with my lip balm and I finish off with my lip gloss. Just see how that lip gloss has made me look 10 years younger than my age. It just makes everything come together. It gives that healthy, youthful glow. That's it, guys. That's my morning skincare routine done. This is what I do to maintain my clear skin. This routine also prevents hyperpigmentation and it keeps my skin well hydrated. If you want to know all the products I use from head to toe, check this video out. I also have a video on my nighttime skincare routine where I showed how I exfoliate with my glycolic acid exfoliating toner. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Drop all your questions in the comment section. Let's interact and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you later, guys.